Good morning, everybody. So we are here in Cabo San Lucas, and today we're going to do a coastal highlights tour and see beautiful Cabo San Lucas. So come with us as we go explore Cabo and see what the city's all about. It's a beautiful sunny day here, and it's so much nicer than being at home in the snow. Let's go check this out.
Look at that beautiful sunshine. No snow here.
So we got to do a coastal tour on this bus, which is way nicer than anything that we have in the United States. So check out these seats, how nice they are. And look in the back, they have water and 2 bathrooms. We don't get buses like that at home. Anyway, let's go explore this town.
Area of Cabo San Lucas. Restaurants, souvenirs area, pharmacies. You see a lot of pharmacies here, right? A lot of the pharmacies.
While we're looking out the window of the bus, I thought I'd tell you what we're going to do today. So the short excursion that we're doing is called the City Tour of Cabo San Lucas. So first, we're going to go to the glass factory. That should be fun. Then we're going to go out and look at the beaches at a hotel. And we're going to end the morning out at San Jose de Cabo, where we'll have lunch and see the plaza. We've arrived at the glass factory, as you can tell. So here in Cabo, this is where they make all the glassware that's used in the Mexican restaurants. And this is pretty impressive. So they've got lots and lots of glasses for sale. So anything on these shelves you can buy, which is great. They also did a glass making demonstration for us, so that was kind of fun to see. Let's just take a second and look around the glass factory at all this beautiful glassware that they've got. Lots and lots of it, and it's all for sale. The highlight of the glass factory was this glass room. So everything in here, from the floors to the wall to the ceiling, is all made out of glass. So it's very beautiful, as you can see in these videos here. So if you ever have a chance, I definitely recommend going to the glass factory because it's really pretty. So I think we're going to get back on the bus and go to our next stop. We are now on our way to San Jose de Cabo, where we'll see the plaza, but right now we're going to make a stop at the viewpoint where you can see the beaches. There I am, smiling and happy. Let's look out the window some more. So I'm not sure if we stopped at a hotel or a condo, but this place is very pretty. It's kind of up on a bluff, and we can overlook and see the beaches and the ocean. They did give us drink tickets, so we could go to the restaurant here and get a soda, or if you wanted, you could get a beer. So I just got a soda and enjoyed the views. And here I am enjoying the views. We probably spent about 30 minutes at this location just looking at the views and having our sodas cooling off in the hot heat. And then we continued on to our next stop, which is San Jose de Cabo, where we saw the plaza and the church and all of that. So let's go there next. From the bus, we did see a lot of brand new construction of hotels and condos. So it looks like Cabo San Lucas is becoming even more of a tourist destination. But I think that's a good thing. So let's go to our next town of San Jose de Cabo and check it out.
Okay, our tour is now in San Jose de Cabo. So here we are at the city square, so let's just take a look around. And then we're gonna get back on the bus, and I think we're going to the Mission next. But this is San Jose de Cabo.
So there was a little bit of confusion. So when we got dropped off at the plaza, we can walk over and see the Mission, and we can walk to lunch, and we can look at the plaza. So that's what we're doing, just walking around. This is the Mission that was built years ago. Very beautiful place. And after this, we're going to go to lunch.
And that's the Mission here in San Juan de Cabo, or San Jose de Cabo. Let's go get lunch now.
And here's a good view of the plaza here in San Jose de Cabo. There's the Mexican flag flying above it. There's their Christmas tree, and the Mission is at the end. It's a pretty little town, and we felt very safe. So it was a good day.
And that's the little plaza here in San Jose de Cabo. Got the plaza, the mission, the flag, and the Christmas tree all in one spot. Let's go get back on the ship and see what's going on there for New Year's Eve. Wow, that was a very busy New Year's Eve. So today we did the city tour in Cabo San Lucas, and that was a lot of fun. And then we were supposed to be back to the ship by 3 p.m., but we got back to the ship by 6. So we got a little bit delayed, but that's okay. So we missed our dinner, so we said let's go to dinner at 8 p.m. So we had our New Year's Eve dinner in the main dining room at 8, so here's a little video of that. Okay, it's time for our Happy New Year dinner here in the main dining room. Yum. So dinner starts with our appetizer, and our appetizer today is a shrimp and crab cocktail. It was pretty good. And then we have our main entree, which was a veal. A lot of people had lobster, but I had the veal. It was good. And then for dessert, it was something very chocolatey. It was really good and very rich. And that was dinner on the cruise ship. Happy New Year, everybody. It was a lot of fun, and they gave us these Holland America hats that said New Year's, Happy New Year's. And then after that, we went up to the BB King Lounge. Or actually, before that, we went to the casino and lost money, darn it. But then we went to the BB King Lounge and celebrated New Year's at BB King's. And on that note, I'm going to bed because I'm exhausted. So we'll see you guys tomorrow in our next port on this Mexican Riviera trip. So good night, and good night from the Holland America Coins Dam. Night, night.